Hey, beautiful babes. Today I am sharing one that was shared by Mrs. Arnold Rocks right here. She is one of my subscribers, and she reminded me of some amazing ingredients. And so many people always ask about things that help with fine lines, dark circles, something that'll help rejuvenate the skin, and she brought it to the table. Thank you, Mrs. Arnold Rocks. And here we're going to talk about it. I am sharing this DIY skincare treatment that is proven to change the skin completely. This is a blend of castor oil, jojoba oil, and frankincense. And y'all, yes, it smells heavenly. Not only does it make your skin glow, but it also helps lighten dark under eye circles. And it's as simple as this. You can mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil, which deeply hydrates and helps with collagen, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil, which is going to help balance moisture and soften the skin, and then frankincense essential oil, just a few drops, 5 to 6. This helps rejuvenate the skin and reduces dark circles. Just mix these together into a small bottle and gently apply it under your eyes and over your face before bedtime. Using your ring finger, dab a tiny amount under the eyes and massage in small circles. Then lightly apply to your cheeks, forehead, and neck. This oil blend absorbs beautifully and leaves your skin soft and radiant. A little goes a long way, so you don't need to do much. In a few weeks, look forward to your skin feeling hydrated, firmer, and glowing. And dark under eye circles, you'll see them noticeably lighter. Now just store this bottle in a cool, dark place to keep it fresh. I want to thank again Mrs. Arnold Rocks for bringing this one to the table. If you're looking for a natural, easy, and effective way to glow and reduce dark circles, give this DIY treatment a try. And listen, y'all, I'm out of here for now, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you love this tip. See you on the next one. Bye now.